Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome to the Cook My Canal. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do a quick lipstick swatch for you guys. I have picked this lipstick long time ago, and I've talked to you guys about this lipstick. I've shown you guys a few of my product that I got from the bougie shop. So I'm talking today about the Beauty Bakery lipstick that I picked up, and two of the Morphe lipstick that I picked up. So I just want to come here and do like a swatch for you guys. These are just like 5 lipstick. I would want to come and do swatch for you guys because I also pick more lipsticks. I ordered some lipsticks which are coming very soon. They'll be here tomorrow or the day after, which will be here very soon. So I don't want to have like a bunch of lipstick lying down, so I just want to come here and do a swatch for you guys on this few that I have picked up, so you guys see how this looks on me. So I have 3 of the Beauty Bakery lipsticks, and I have 2 of the Morphe. So let's jump into tutorial. I'm not going to let this lipstick dry on my lip completely just because we are doing swatches, but if you're applying them, then you have to let them dry properly, by that way it stay longer. But I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks and wipe it off, but I'm not gonna leave it to dry completely, so just get that clear. So let's jump into the swatches. I don't know, this Beauty Bakery, this blue, it's not just working for me. It's not just working. Like, you have to apply a couple of layers before you can actually get it. You want it? I like the blue. It has some really nice shimmery, but I just don't like, you guys can see it applies and I don't know, like it doesn't really stick on my lip. Like some place it stays and some place it doesn't stay. Can you guys see? I'm happy I didn't bought this at the original price, because if I should have paid 18 euros for this lipstick, then I would have been really disappointed. Yeah, you guys can see. Now this blue, it's not just working. It's not just I'm done with it. So let's jump to the next. One thing I have to say with this Beauty Bakery lipstick, the blue, I tried my best to get everything out, but like that, and you apply this to your lips, this lipstick stays, like it glues on your lips. Like it doesn't come out. Like my lip is red. Just my lip is, you guys can see my lip is like red. Just from me trying to get this lipstick off my lip. Like that is a good sign. Like that's very good. Like when you apply this, it doesn't come out. But yeah, let's jump to the next one. I tried my best to, like, it makes me really scared now to like do the rest colors, because I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get rid of it. But yeah, first let's jump to this let's try this color also, this like blue. Let's just see how this looks, okay? This color, these colors are not really good. I don't know if you guys have tried this lipstick. Please let me know. But these colors are not. Let me just try and wipe it off very fast, because the colors are just not. They're not just working for me. It doesn't really come out. I have managed to get that off my lip. It's not that really easy to get it off. Like these 2 colors are just are just not working. It looks like the kind of like metallic ones with the shimmery are just not working. I've never tried this brand lipsticks before. This was my first time, and I'm really happy that I picked this on sales because they're not just working for me. So let's try this gold one. And it's one thing I have to say, that it dry really fast, and it just stays on your lip. It just glue onto your lips. That's a good thing, but it's just not working for me. The colors are just not working for me. So let's try this gold one. This is the last. Like, you really have to build up this lipsticks. Yeah, I kind of like the gold one. It applies much more better than the two that I just picked up, than the blue. Yeah, but I don't think this is a color that I one thing I've also noticed, when you apply it on your lips, don't close your lips. Like, don't close your lips like together, because then the one color is going to get rip off. Okay, so let me just show what I'm talking about. Like here. Now I just applied it. If I close my lip like this, you guys can see all this is going to get off, and it's going to be at the bottom. Like, now the bottom is having a lot of colors, whilst the top just look patchy. Like, you can't close your lip. You have to let this dry before you close your lips. Well, I can't regret it buying this lipsticks, because I picked it up for like €2 and some cents. So I just wanted to give it a try just to see how it looks. But maybe if you just like build it up much more, like if you want to go like you guys maybe are having like verkleedfeestje, carnival, of Halloween, of iets geks or so, something crazy. You guys are like having like a crazy costume parties or something, and you want to wear this, that would be good. But I cannot wear this outside, and it just don't look good. No, doesn't look good. So far so good. I like the Morphe's these two colors, I like it. And this one I'll just keep it for maybe, hopefully one day I will have some Halloween parties, or just something Halloween feestjes, of iets geks, of een verkleedpartij of zoiets, wat je gewoon dit aandoen. Want normaal, ik zal die niet met dit, nee, dit kan echt niet. Dit kan echt gewoon niet. En die, kijk, zie je? That's the one thing I like about it. When it dry, it doesn't come out. See? It doesn't come out when it dries. It's just stick there. That's good about it, but it doesn't really apply so good. You guys can see my lip. So I'm just gonna rub some Vaseline on my lip, because I'm not gonna try to like scrub this off my lip. I'm going to rub some Vaseline, and I'm going to take my lipstick remover. I'm going to use this to remove this. So yeah, this is it. This is just a lipstick swatch for you guys. Yeah, it's not really what I expected, but yeah, I didn't have a high expectation as well, because I've never tried this two brand. So yeah, I'm having some more lipsticks are coming. I ordered some more lipstick, and they will be here. So when those are here, I will come back and give you guys another swatches. But so far, these are just this, and the Beauty Bakery lipstick, I just don't like this. I just don't like these colors. These ones are just not my colors. Maybe if I pick the normal ones, the ones are not metallic, they're not like having the shimmery kind of thing, maybe I'll like it. But these ones are just not just not my time. No, not for me. Yeah, so if you guys have tried this lipstick, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and I hope to see you guys very soon. Dus je get Amy, vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg, bye.